If you are experiencing limited access to Outlook due to security checks, follow these steps to restore full functionality. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Start by checking your email for any messages from Microsoft regarding security checks. Follow the instructions provided in these emails to verify your identity, which may include entering a code sent to your registered phone number or email. Step 2. Update security information. Log into your Microsoft account and navigate to the security settings. Ensure that your recovery email and phone number are up to date. This information is crucial for regaining access and receiving security codes. Step 3. Check account activity. Review your recent account activity for any suspicious actions. If you notice any unfamiliar logins or changes, report them to Microsoft. This step helps ensure your account is secure and can aid in the restoration process. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes, browser issues can affect access to Outlook. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser and attempt to log into Outlook again. This can resolve any temporary glitches. Step 5. Contact Microsoft support. If you are still unable to regain full access, reach out to Microsoft support for assistance. Provide them with any relevant information about your account and the security checks you have encountered. They can guide you through additional steps to restore access. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Outlook account. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Microsoft.